All right, good morning. So I went and got a yoke for the 9 1/4 Dodge. Here's the yoke. If I'm guessing correctly, okay, you have, sorry, there's a lot of spider webs everywhere for some strange reason. The 9 1/4 is almost as strong as the Dana 60. Now, when I say almost as strong, it is literally like right there. It's almost as strong as a Dana 60. I'm thinking that the 9 1/4, the yoke, because I need a new yoke. All right. I'm thinking that the Dana 60 and the 8 3/4 share the same spline count and the same diameter and seal inside diameter. So you have 3 axles. Of course, I'm not talking about the 10 spline, okay? Because there is a 10 spline, 8 3/4 out there. So I'm going to see if I can fit a Dana 60 yoke on here. And you're probably, or would it be an 8 3/4 yoke? It might even be a 9 1/4 yoke. So why? Why am I doing that? Why am I getting rid of the flange? Well, because the flange, this, I'm not worried about breaking. It's what's attached to this that I'm worried about breaking. And the 1350 flange doesn't look too strong. And also the 1350 flange is hard to come by. So, and I don't think they make a chromoly one. So what do? I do some research and I look at measurements and I see what can fit what and what's available. And my first guess was the 8 3/4, of course. And then I was thinking Dana 60. All right, here we go. First test. See if it works. Damn it. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. What about the seal? Perfect fit. So, what am I to do? Let's see, the seal. Yep, the seal expands. All right. So the Dana 60, the 9 1/4, and the 8 3/4 share the same spline count, diameter, and seal inside diameter. All right. So why did I go to this style? I went with this style because the original yoke flange, I'm not worried about breaking that. You're not going to break that. It's the flange that bolts to that flange. Those will break because they have thin areas. And to find a 1350 and a chromoly one is good luck. So these are readily available because of the Dana 60 and the 8 3/4.